Right now is the best time to start a YouTube channel in as long as I can remember. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about something very interesting going on in YouTube. It is they are promoting smaller channels. For the longest time, it was a grind to get your channel noticed. I got lucky. I had one video that kind of went viral and it spiraled from there. I wouldn't call it viral, but it did a lot more for my channel than just about any other one. So back in the old days, you had to hope for that, or you just had to grind away, and sometimes it take months, years, whatever. Right now, if you go to your YouTube thing, you will see there are channels you've never even seen before, never even heard of them. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you would just, same people all the time, same people all the time. You know, even the big names that they're trying to push on you, if it's not your genre, Mr. Beast or something. Guy does amazing videos, not my thing, but for the longest time, I'd always have 4 or 5 of his videos pop up there for whatever reason. Right now, I have been noticing that more and more smaller channels with less than 100 subscribers are popping up in my feed. And sometimes it's not really subjects I was into, and I've stopped and watched a few of them. You know, a lot of them don't have the best quality going on. That takes time. They get better, and it will get better. But for some reason, YouTube's showing smaller channels on people's feeds. So I would not waste this time right now. I would get on it and get your channel up at least in 2025. The sooner the better. The next 3 months is what I would suggest. But right now they're promoting little to no subscriber channels, like very small. They're putting it up there. They're giving you that opportunity. Get on it. That is a solid piece of advice for 2025 right there. Okay. On top of it, they're doing that thing where if you have less than 10,000 subscribers, I don't know if it's fully rolled out yet, but there's a thing where you could hype a video. Instead of just liking it, there's going to be a new little tab there that says hype. You get like 3 or 5 hypes a month or a week, something like that. And if you see a video you really like, you could use one of your hypes on it. And that will promote that channel. That will promote that video. So hopefully you hit a nerve with a crowd and they start hyping your videos when that's all out to everyone. I know some people have it yet already. I haven't seen it yet myself. Who knows? Start your channel within the next 3 months. All right, everyone. See you tomorrow.